Oh, I'm not sure. By the way, we just went live.
All
Oh,
right.
am I doing a screen share? No, I
No,
didn't even share
you're
the
not.
screen with you. One sec. All right, all right, all right. Now we're live. Okay. Welcome, everyone. Man, you know how many views we got on the last video?
I didn't check to be honest.
49.
Whoa,
I don't know what's going
you're
on.
famous, man.
Yeah, I mean, that's probably the highest we've ever got on any video. So, welcome to everyone joining us. I don't know if there's anyone joining us today. It's actually a holiday in the US. It's Easter holiday. So, I guess more people should be online. I don't know. Anyway, doesn't matter. We're not doing this for the views anyway. We're just doing this for the vibes. So
How do
where'd
we
we
know?
stop last time? I think we got scope delineated. We know exactly what's in and outside of scope. Um, we were messing with different image generation models to see if we can come up with consistent illustration styles. Now we checked GPT-4o, FAL AI, Recraft, V3, and that was pretty crap. GPT-4o was inconsistent. I think that was the problem that we had.
Yeah, we wanted to, work with the prompt um, to add something like exclusions. Like we don't want it to add, colors out of the blue.
Mm.
You know, uh,
I
stick to
heard
the
they
same.
fixed a
Like
lot
we just
of.
have to. I've also been, I've read like some people were discussing some stuff. I think it was on Reddit, and one thing they were talking about is that um, I think AI is pretty good when you exclude things.
Yeah, I heard the new GPT 4.1 model, like it listens to exclusions better. So, I mean, I don't know what to make of it, but it can't generate images, as far as I know. The new GPT model can't. So we can't just use, where's 4.1? Oh, they didn't even put it? Where's 4.1? There, it's not released. GPT, is it only available via API? Man, it's only available via API. It's not even available here? This is stupid. Is it the same as O3? I don't think so. O3 is a different one. This is so confusing, man. Uh, man. So they released these models via API, which outperforms GPT-4o, but I don't think they can do image generation. Generate. Yeah, it doesn't do image generation, GPT 4.1. This was literally just last week. Anyway, so we can't really use it for this. It doesn't work. This can't
Yeah.
generate images either, so you're basically stuck with 4o. Yeah, whatever. Anyway, so what were we gonna do? Let me see if I have
So we wanted
some.
to
Okay,
make
we had
sure about.
Leonardo that we wanted to try out. Um, and then we were kind of messing with this. Let me see if I have any other stuff open that might be relevant. Yeah, I think that's it, man. Like this is basically what we had open. We were gonna mess with Leonardo. That was the sort of highlight here. Um, let's see. What do I have this open? All right, so let me do. How many windows of Chrome do we have? Control room, Chat GPT. Yeah, we don't need those. Just put that here. All right, cool, cool, cool. So, let's try out Leonardo. I mean, it seems to be like exactly what we're looking for. So, sign up, Leo. Uh, let's sign up off to the side here. Leonardo. Have you come across any image generation models that you think we should check out or services?
DeepSeek.
DeepSeek for image generation?
Yeah, they had an image generation, like they had the section for image generation.
Bro, man, I'm out of date. I feel like, yeah, I mean, that's the thing. Like, there's so many services, it's hard to keep track. That's why the best thing you can do is just launch quickly because then at least you build some mind share and people start, remembering. Because if something works really well, I mean, that's the best moat. That's how you get distribution.
That's true.
All right, let's see what we got. Something short like a car, and then you click generate. You can pick presets, image guidance, elements to steer aesthetics. Okay. All right. Finished. Okay. Type a prompt. Okay, so let's do a car and then pick the model. Oh, you could. Okay. Is this the style or the model? Okay. Hmm. Okay, I'm not sure. Like, are we picking a model or are we picking a specific style? It seems like they already have style here. Okay, let's do Flux, the default. Font enhance. Okay. Style. I don't know, man. Like the styles don't. What is this crap? 3D render. I mean, you should be able to provide like more specific styles, like this, right?
Do
Illustration
they
or
have
whatever.
a do they have an API?
They do, yeah. What, you're thinking we should check the API directly? I thought it'd be easier just to check it and see.
Or no,
Maybe we
like
need
it's
to
like a
prompt. We need to improve the prompt. Possibly a photograph. Crimson leather. I don't know why. I can't help but read this in a British accent. The lustrous metallic silver finish reflects the surrounding scenery.
I wonder why.
Drinking tea as well. I mean, that helps.
I'm drinking tea.
I'm not sure, man. Like, okay, we want particular styles. Kind of like this. I think we picked. Did we pick? We probably pick an illustration style, so or maybe a group of styles that we can use for landing pages. Um, what are some popular illustration styles that people use on landing pages? Just give me a selection of 10 and include a brief description of the style that I can provide to an image generation model in order to generate images in that particular style. Include only the 10 most popular styles. Flat vector style. Yeah, that's right. Isometric. Okay. Bro, it's good. Hand drawn, 3D clay. Oh, definitely 3D clay. I've seen a bunch of that. Gradient mesh style.
Handwriting, line art.
Retro futurism, mid-century. Okay. Muted retro color palette. Okay. Let's I don't know. What do you want to pick? Maybe flat vector style. So we just do car and then clean flat vector style and then just improve the prompt. Oh, really? Whatever. We'll just feed it as it is. Let's see if Leonardo is any good. Oh, did I pick 3D render? Oh, I should have picked. Well, I guess I should have picked illustration. Yeah, that's my bad. Is this which one is this? Clean flat vector style. This is definitely not clean. I guess it overrid it because it was 3D render. Let's try again. But this time with illustration style. Let's see. I mean, these look pretty good. I'm gonna be honest. Like, yeah, it looks nice. This flat vector style? Let's see. I don't know what flat vector style. What style is this? Yeah, 3D inspired. Pretty good. It sits between flat vector and 3D clay style. Oh, okay.
It's pretty good though.
Pretty, yeah. I mean, yeah, yeah, it's pretty good. We didn't give it a color. We didn't give it anything. Let's try another style. What do you want? 3D clay? 3D clay
Yeah, going for that one. Yeah,
or
just
gradient mesh? I mean, gradient mesh. Let's give it more specific. So let's do red car.
blue.
Oh, blue car. Blue car. Um, two-door. Sedan. Convertible. Convertible. So blue sports car, two-door convertible, whizzing on a long, windy road. Okay, let's go. See, it makes four images. I thought this would be interesting maybe for more image sets. Yeah. All right, I think I'm at resolution sets here, but multiple image outputs that you can pick between. That's out of scope as well. And it is not. What is this? 3D clay? Which
3D
option is
clay.
it? Gradient
No,
mesh style?
gradient mesh.
Oh, gradient mesh. Okay. Is this gradient mesh? Let's ask you. What style is this? It kind of looks like gradient mesh. I think this is gradient mesh, yeah. 3D hyper realistic with stylized surreal elements. Okay. Well, it's not really. Yeah, let's do gradient mesh. What does that look like? Ah, okay, okay, okay. I see. Um, but illustrations? Gradient, mesh gradient, and illustrator. I don't know if this is an illustration style, man. Like, it's just weird that it's generating text. Like, I would want to see a sample.
Yeah,
Retrofuturism.
I was
Yeah. Well,
just
how do you
about to say
know
that.
if this is exactly what you want?
Yeah,
Retrofuturism.
if
And we should start with the style. Retrofuturism art. Okay. Ah, okay, okay. All right. I get the vibe. You know what this is like an old cartoon type vibe. Storybook. This is popular? I don't think this is popular. Hmm.
retro.
Anyway, if we can generate an image like this, I mean, yeah, retro. Or maybe we could go the other way. Like we could take one of these images and then feed it into GPT and ask it to describe the style and then use that to generate with Leonardo. Bro, we only have 30 left. Oh no.
There's also what is it? Firefly. I'm not
Oh,
sure about its the pricing structure. How it's
oh, Adobe?
yeah.
I don't think they have an API. Oh, they do. I think this is like a full-blown tool. It's like a Photoshop thing. I don't know. Maybe. Does it say pricing? Where's pricing? Firefly API. Bro, they don't mention pricing. Is it one of those things where you need to reach out to a sales team? It's what is this? Firefly API. Okay.
Deep arts.
There's no mention of pricing. Generate. Bro, what about pricing? Oh man, no, this would not apply. API? Does it say anything about API? No. Oh, okay. All right.
Is
I think foul.
deep arts. Hold on.
You want you want
Deep arts IO. Hold on.
deep
I'm
art?
trying it
What
out.
was the deep? That was the DeepSeek one you were talking about?
I think so, yeah.
Deep art IO.
C arts.
So what do you do?
It's
Oh,
it's uh it's changed to C arts. C
C
art. Yeah.
C art.
AI.
So that's an app. AI Ghibli photo. C
No,
art
C
dot
arts
AI.
dot
I see.
AI, not IO.
So it's C with an A, not C double E. Oh. Do they have an API or is it just consumer stuff?
There's Swift.
API. CArts.ai API. This looks so shady. What is this?
mm,
110. Okay. Well, where's the API? Oh, they're just showing images with the word API in it. No, I don't think they have an API. Yeah, they don't have an
all right.
API. Oh, their docs just shows tutorials. Yeah, they don't do API. Okay.
Stability dot AI.
Yeah, stability came up. Stability.ai that came up. Maybe we should use that. Professional grade images. Okay. All right. Now we're talking. Do we have an API? Self-hosted like platform API? Okay. Let's talk about platform API. Where's pricing? Okay, pricing. There you actually have pricing. That's beautiful. So generate um pricing credits. So one credit is 1 cent. And so it's 6 cents to generate images using stable diffusion large. 4 cents with this one. Okay, all right. Okay, 4 cents per image. That sounds very reasonable. So let's go. How do we start? Let's start creating. Okay. Yeah, start free trial. Let's go. Yo, you said free trial. Oh, you gotta pay to get the free trial? But is it free if you gotta pay for it? Oh well. Okay. All right. Okay. No problem. No problem. No issues. Um, I actually have a temporary card I use just for situations like this. I hate having to use it, but it's there. Oh, I already have Stability AI. Interesting. I already have an account with them. Must have been a while ago. Oh, they want me to pay 3 days free, and then it's nine dollars a month.
Then
Okay,
you're charged.
only if the card has enough money. Free trial grant 50 credits and may be canceled during trial duration without charge. Okay. I'll just cancel it before the trial concludes. Okay. Cool. All right. Hi, I'm your okay. All right. Um, so what do we do now? Ask me for an image, a video, a music, or a 3D model, or upload an image and start editing. Okay, okay, all right. So what we're gonna do? So the idea was we pick some images, and then how about this? This looks pretty good. Psychedelic retro pop. It's pretty nice. Oh, oh dear. They want us to pay too? Unbelievable. Everybody suddenly got all greedy, man.
They heard you. It's AI.
Everybody getting greedy. All right, so we're gonna take this and then we're gonna ask GPT, yo, can you describe this style in detail in a way that I can feed to an image generation model as a prompt in order to generate images in the same style? Let's go. Neo-retro pop aesthetic with strong cues from 1960s style screen printing, comic book ink art. Whoa. All right, let's do it. So, what we're gonna do? Characters should have expressive. Okay, so we're talking about characters. Backgrounds are minimal. Okay. So do you have a prompt in mind that you want to use?
Let's try
So,
the. mm,
astronaut looking at Jupiter with sun in background, drifting, drifting
Space.
towards Saturn. Okay, Saturn. We'll get the rings. Okay, let's go. So we're looking for a style that's this type here. Okay. All right. Psychedelic retro pop. Let's see. Let's see. Are we gonna get what we want? Oh, wow.
This is
I
good.
like it. I like it. Yeah. That's a style,
Very
man.
good, actually.
Yeah.
Can we try another style?
Okay.
Like the same approach, like a
Do
detailed description of the style.
okay.
Yeah. Let's go for
Let's
that difficult one that we had the last time. It was blue, dark blue. Yeah, that one.
this
Pale blue. Yeah.
pale blue citrus. Okay. All right. Okay. Um, this is beautiful fusion of geometric abstraction and a digital chiaroscuro. Whoa. Okay. All right, man. All right, let's do this. So, what did you want? Maybe this would be good with a face. Like describe.
No, let's
I
do
don't
the
know.
dolphin thing. Let's do the dolphin with holding
What was the
money,
dolphin doing?
holding cash.
Uh, dolphin. What is this? Why can't I? Dolphin. Stylized portrait. Okay, so it's talking about a portrait. Use abstract geometric shapes and sharp to define facial features. Use a limited cool toned color palette. I mean, it's talking about the face. Okay. Okay. Dolphin. Holding. Uh, check. I mean, th this is kind of focused on faces, so I don't know if it's gonna do well with that. Well, I don't know. But let's see. Let's see.
Let's see.
I mean, it's talking a lot about faces here, so maybe it'll go deep, kind of focus on the face of the dolphin. Oh, wow. That's kind of weird, though. What's going on with the finger and the tail? Um, is it the same vibe?
But but it's done a good job, like compared to the others.
I don't know about that, man. I don't know if the issue is the prompt or if it's the generation. Maybe it's decent. I mean, it's a tricky one
That's
to kind of get.
yeah.
This seems like something you'd like a flat type style. Yeah, something like this. This would be good. Oh, that one too. This is pretty common, I think. Oh yeah, this
Mm,
sort of
those
style.
are great. Yeah,
Okay. How do we open that?
actually quite good.
Oh, it was good. I like that. That's nice. Oh, that's good. This is a nice style for landing page illustrations. All right, let's go. Let's see what it comes up with. But this one's a bit more detailed. So maybe we can ask it. Okay, can you give me a sample prompt, including the description that you just added for the style, that I can feed to Stability AI's image generation model? Okay, so it's using the same one. Let's see. Let's see what it comes up with. Let's go. I mean, this should be, I guess this should be similar to what we saw, the image we saw here. Okay, let's see what we come up with. I mean, it's kind of weird because we're actually stringing together. Hey, it's not the same. Okay, no, it generated this style instead. Oh, okay. All right, we can try again. Oh, it's using no, see? Void, watercolor, or painterly effect.
Exclusions.
Yeah, it's exactly what you're talking about. Maybe we can refine prompts this way. Man, no one would do this. Bro, okay, now we're getting there.
Good.
Now we're getting there. I mean, that's way better. That's amazing. What's with the weird? What is this? Oh, generate another version. Reinvent. Open toolbox. Replace background. Okay, all right. Wow, there's so much you can do. Remove background. I guess it just makes it okay. Recolor. Okay. But this is nice. I like this. So this looks a lot closer to this. Still some differences, but man, I like it.
I feel like it looks better.
Yeah. Okay, so let's, what do you think? And my spelling's gone to the it's become trash. I don't even know how to type anymore. Man, give it a few years, nobody's gonna know how to type. It's just gonna be like talking to AI. That's it. Optional negative prompt if model supports it. Does this allow negative prompts? Oh, select a style. Whoa. Oh, no, no. Okay, style image. Yo, can we add our own style image? Oh, we can upload. Bro, we can upload. Okay. All right. What happens if we give it the style image? Where is it? This one. So save image as style ref. Style red. Okay. So we add a style image. Where did I put it? Was it desktop? Oh, I don't even know. Okay. All right. So you give it the style image. I don't know if you can do this via API. I hope you can. I mean, it'd be a shame if we couldn't. But then, like we're giving it the style image, we can't give it the same illustration. Okay, can you give me an example prompt for another illustration completely different that I can use to generate a sample test? Sample test. Can't even speak properly anymore. Isometric style digital illustration with floating UI dashboard. What? Really? You think this will work? Huh. It's gonna be a tricky one. Okay. Give it a try. Oh, does that look similar?
It does.
Oh, yeah, it does. I mean, that one was flat. This is 3D, but that's the only thing I.
Well, it's not that 3D. I feel like it's
This,
about the same.
he mentioned isometric style, which is 3D. I don't understand why he did that. Um, example prompt for the same illustration style, but completely different subjects. I think we're gonna run out of. Okay, yeah, we're gonna run out of test
Credits.
credits here. Yeah, are we using the same image? Which one was it? Okay, yeah, confirm.
It was
All right. Friendly startup team working in a cozy co-working space, diverse group, drinking coffee. One person is presenting near a flip chart, another is lounging on a bean bag, filled with indoor plants, sticky notes, bookshelves, and a playful modern furniture. Yes? What's going on with
yes.
his face, yo? Why is he wearing that weird triple glasses thing? Man, that's the AI generate. This guy's face is also messed up. The eyebrow is going into his hair. Or is that not an eyebrow? That's glasses. Okay, I mean it's
But
got the
generally, like,
elements.
yeah, I mean, generally, it's honestly, it's great.
Yeah. I guess. I mean it does look like a co-working space, which is good. I think we got like our 80% solution here, you know? It
Yeah,
kind of does what we need it to do.
we got a good option.
Yeah, this is good. I mean, I'd give it what, like 8 out of 10. But, you know, more importantly, it's consistent. And
So
we
now, so GPT-4o did a better job.
did a better job. Yeah, the problem is
Hmm.
it's not consistent. Like sometimes it gives us good results, sometimes it doesn't. this guy gives us good results, but consistently. And it's just a question of like figuring out the prompting, but it's giving the right style. I mean, this is the style of image that we asked for, and it generated a bunch of images in a similar style. So it seems to be okay. I mean, it copied this style, it copied that other style. So yeah, seems good. Like it does the job. Let's do one more. Kids at a science fair. The beauty is like we can actually use like GPT-4o or something else to improve the prompt. So we take the prompt from the user, improve it, and then feed it to Stability AI. And in that way, like you get, although maybe they're
What
doing
if
their own improvements
what,
as well in the background.
hmm, what if chat does like it generates the prompt and it sends it right away to its image engine to generate the image? Because the only problem we've had was the prompt. Like we just needed to fix the prompt.
Okay, so generate a flat illustration. Let's see what it
Let's
comes up
see.
with. Nice. I like this. This is amazing.
Yeah, it's
Bro, it's
pretty good.
beautiful. Yeah.
Let's see what chat does.
I'm curious to see if this would actually work without the reference image. So is the reference image doing anything or not? So I'm going to remove the reference image and then try it again.
I think it will remember the past.
Oh, you think so?
Hmm.
We have to start a new chat, new project, or just try it directly with the API. I have no, it's not good. It's not that it's not good. It's not the same style.
And it is somewhat the same, to be
Yeah, I mean, I'm seeing sharper lines.
honest.
Like this one was like you can see scribbles here, like sharp lines. There it's blocky. It's more
Mm,
blocky. You're not seeing
smooth.
sharp elements. I mean, there are some sharp elements, but generally it's like you're using a bigger brush. What about this? Let's see what we came up with.
It's quite slow, though, yeah.
Oh, not bad. Not bad at all.
Mm,
I mean, you'll notice the poster actually matches the stuff that's here. Magnets, and
yeah.
then these are magnets. Oh,
And you didn't reference, like, did you give it a reference?
yeah, no, I didn't. I just gave it this.
See? Mm.
This maybe it's using like, okay, well, let's start a new conversation. And yeah, let's see what it comes up with. And same here, right?
Let's start a new project.
No reference images. Cool. I mean, yeah, we got two options. We got two options. No, it's not the same style. I mean, it's giving a similar style to the last one. This, I mean, it's not that it doesn't get it. Like maybe what we need to do is feed this image back to GPT-4o until it improves the prompt somehow. Because it did a good job. Like it's good for iterating. So yeah, we can use GPT-4o for improving our prompts and then hard code the prompts into the app so that you get the latest version that works well. Come on. It's so slow, man.
It's quite slow.
Yeah. Yeah, similar. Okay. I still like it. I think it's quite similar. It's very similar in style to the original one. So yeah. So the robot guy, okay, that guy is a robot. This guy is this is not a robot. That's a volcano. So yeah, I mean, okay, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. It's not perfect, like logically, but man, I love this. The image style, yeah, it's amazing.
It does
And
the
notice how
job,
the
man.
same prompt sent to
The only, the
GPT-4o
only,
generated the right image, but in stability generated the wrong one.
yeah, it didn't. Yeah, the only drawback, like the only limitation, not limitation, but the only, the problem is the time. It's quite slow.
Yeah, GPT-4o. Maybe by API it's faster. I think they might be like rate limiting. Um,
Yeah, I hope so.
yeah, the ChatGPT users. It could be. It could be. Cool. Awesome. So I think let's break this. Okay, we're just gonna go with GPT-4o for now. What do you think? Think that makes sense? Yo, you still there? Oh, we lost him. All right, should be back. Cool. So next steps. And basically the plan is gonna be we're gonna need so pick image generation model. All right, that's done. Then we need to um find 10 illustration styles and find prompts that reliably generate images in those styles.
I'm
Hey,
back.
back. I lost you there for a sec.
Yeah,
All right,
no, no
so
bad
I was
money.
saying we should just go ahead with GPT-4o, right?
Yes, I agree.
Awesome. So I'm just putting together a plan so we can get moving. Hopefully, maybe by today we can actually get something something going, like at least maybe an MVP. And then the rest of the time would just be spent on improving it. But you have a working version. So find 10 sample illustration styles. Maybe for today we just find one and then find a prompt that reliably
So we can,
generates images
we could,
or two. Find two sample. Find prompts that
like what
reliably.
I'm,
You what?
like what I'm thinking of is like the same way we just take, like, for example, um, what do you call it? We take the styles and then have ChatGPT generate the prompt for those styles.
Yeah,
Like it
exactly.
could be 10. Like we could take the 10 and then we could manually add the rest with time.
Well, yeah, I mean, if
Like
we can do
we
one
could
or
put
if
a
we can do
reference,
two,
like
then we can
a
do 10 or
source.
100. Yeah, it's not going to be difficult. If we can do 10 or 100, that's a low risk, you know what I'm saying? Like if we can do one or two, we can do 10. But I'm just trying to do this in the interest of time for today. Like you actually want to get something working. It's going to be difficult to just, spend time, justify spending time on like adding more illustration styles, even though I agree that, oh man, we lost him again. We lost him again. All right. Okay. Render images inside the box. That's it. I think if we can get this done today, bro, that would be nuts. Let's fire it up. I'm fired up. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. Okay. Let's do. Let's do this. Okay. Did we update? Are we on the latest and greatest version? Okay. Okay. So stability AI. Forget stability AI. We're gonna go with okay. This is the same one. Cool. So let's see. What do we need to do? Okay. Hey man, welcome back.
Thank you.
All right, so what I was thinking was we patch Redbox, the version that we already have, to instead of just draw red boxes, it allows you to draw red boxes and then collect a description and then generate an image. If we can do like one image generation today, that would be beautiful. Like, that's basically like an MVP.
So you're saying a red box would be selected on an image. It will generate a description of that image, and then
Yeah,
they will select a style, and then it will be replaced with another image.
yeah, exactly.
Let's
So
go for it.
we just need to load up the extension. Where is he? Oh, I think I removed it. So we just load unpacked. Where's Redbox? Where did I? Okay, I think it's in projects. Projects, Redbox. Okay. All right, there it is. Cool. So basically what we need to do is in Redbox drawer here, and then just say, all right, we're gonna draw this here and collect a description, and then add a button, or maybe you just press enter, right? You add a description, or no, maybe you want enter for a new line. Okay.
It, it could be like a button would be like an overlay.
Bro, these are way too small. We're not gonna be generating. We should have a minimum size. We should have a minimum size for the boxes drawn to be at least 36 pixels wide and high. Oh, it's 2.5 Pro. All right. It's pretty nice. Okay, I'll modify the okay, yeah. Nice. Okay, cool. So yeah, what were you saying? So we should we add a generate button? Like we'll we'll clear all
Yeah, I
boxes
think
here.
the
Hmm?
because if we do it automatically, it's like sometimes it may misplace so we don't want to keep sending requests only when the user is sure of the position.
Yeah, yeah, I agree. Okay, so now it'll draw. Wait, no, I thought it's not doing the minimum anymore. What is this? Why is it not doing the minimum? The box dimensions in JS content.js. Yeah.
36 by 36 is small.
No, it's bigger than that tiny thing though.
Yeah, obviously, yeah.
Reload. What's wrong with this?
Reload the page.
I did.
Mm.
Oh, okay. And your drawing function as well. Okay, yeah. I mean, that's kind of obvious though. I'm scared you didn't think about that. Okay, that's better. Yeah. Cool. I like that. Okay, beautiful. So, what do we want to do? All right, cool. So, basically, what we want to do is whenever someone draws a box, they should be able to add a description to the box. So, allow them to type into the box if they are creating the box for the first time, or if they click on an existing box, they should be able to type into that box and either modify the text or write new text. And I think that's it. I think that's it. Also include a button in the bottom right corner of the box that has the text generate. I know how that's going to look with like those super tiny boxes, but it's okay. Maybe instead of a text, we should replace it with an emoji or something. Or if it's super tiny, then we can replace it with an emoji, something like that. Let's see how Gemini
So
2.5 Pro
I
handles
think
this.
I think
You
we
think?
just limit it so that we will not go beyond the scope of developing more stuff.
Oh yeah, you think we're getting too excited with the UI stuff?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
yeah. This is an MVP for
yes,
God's
yes,
sake. Focus.
yes.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You're right. So I create update with the necessary styles. Bro, why are you asking me? Yeah, duh. Okay. Yeah. I mean, I don't know if this is true, but maybe like anything else. You should now be able to draw boxes, type into them, and click existing boxes to edit text and see the generate. Okay, let's try it out. So manage extension. Let's reload. Reload the page. Let's go. Okay, that's a tiny one. Bro, that's very nice. I like it.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah. Hi there. This is a
but
description.
opacity, man, we need to see what's beyond what's below it.
Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Yeah, maybe give it some opacity. And the generate image button right there at the bottom. I like it. I like it. This is good. This is amazing. Excellent. Okay, so this is great. Now, fantastic job, by the way. Next, when the user clicks the generate image button, I want you to submit a request to the OpenAI API for image generation using the GPT-4o model and passing in the uh, dimensions of the box as well as the prompt that the user is provided, which is the description that they typed into the box.
But why would
It
you
should
send it
render
to
the
us,
response in place of the
box?
box. How do you regenerate it
It's
then?
hold on, hold on.
In
What are
place
you
of the
sending?
now, so we're gonna take this and then click generate image. It sends
This
the request with the prompt.
what's the yeah the description and the image.
Oh, we need the style, right? We need to ask for the style.
Yeah. Yes. 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 Yes.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. You're right. That's that we almost forgot the style. Okay. All right. So we need to go back before we go into the next part. Okay, in addition to providing a description, which is really just a prompt for an image generation model, we also need to ask the user for the illustration style that they want to use. Wait a second, the style is going to be page wide, right? The same style
Yeah.
is going to be used for all images in the page.
Correct.
So maybe we should be adding that into this menu somehow. Oh, I just noticed it
How
actually
about
is it has some alpha. When you click out, it has alpha. When you click in, it's there again.
nice?
That's a nice touch. It's kind of annoying though. Whenever you click, you get that stupid thing.
What if what if you know when you click? Yeah, hold on.
Bro, we just asked for
Because
the
if we,
illustration style here. We can have it here. Like the boxes showing the illustration style.
yeah,
Yeah, that's
that's
it.
true. Like it would pick, that would be global.
Yeah, exactly. For all
Mm.
images. I mean, maybe that's not a good assumption, maybe. But maybe it's okay.
For the FPV, for the MVP, it is.
Yeah. Let's also modify the Redbox drawer to allow the user to select from a bunch of illustration styles. Um, the style selection will be by clicking on an image which depicts the specific style. Clicking on the particular style would add a brief 3 or 4 word description about the selected style. We'll initially only have 2 styles, but we plan on adding 15 or 20 more later. I think I need to give it like some sample images, but it's probably smart enough to just use placeholders in the meantime. Okay, what do we got? I'll create popup.html. Are you sure you need to create that? We've got a JS. Okay, okay. Hey, it already exists. What do you mean you'll create it? Oh, it's editing the files? Why did it stop? It's waiting for me? Okay, go. Why did it weird? That was weird. That is weird. Why would it stop? Hmm. We should find some documentation for OpenAI image generation docs. Okay. Oh man, it's doing this. Okay. Right. I didn't realize
Are
this
those the
would apply
placeholders?
where. Yeah, it's pretty good. I mean, it's too big actually. There's this thing where you can. Oh, is it done? Remember to create placeholder images if you have actual images. Okay, just make them way smaller and don't show the labels underneath each style. Instead, when a particular image style is selected, then we'll render the label uh, at the bottom underneath the list of images. Maybe like 64 by 64. It's kind of weird that it worked on its own. Like, I thought you have to do the refresh thing. Manage
But this
extension.
page is new. You open the page.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Style default. Done. The pop-up should show up with some smaller images. Okay, so let's refresh. What is this? It's not. Ah, it's showing that way because the images don't exist. Okay, let's take this style, uh, and then we'll create a 64 by 64.
Don't you feel like it's very tiny to like have an idea of what style you're looking for?
Yeah, probably. It's also you're gonna have like
I
a
think
bunch of
it's
styles, so how are you gonna
what if
fit
what
them in
if
the
what
space?
if what if it would only show the selected style? If you want to select another, it would take you to a new page where you get a list of styles.
Yeah, yeah, that could work. It's probably too small to make out.
This is too small. Yeah, it's very tiny. I think that's the best way. Like the model would show the selected style, and then if you want to choose a different one, a new page like will open up, and then you will get to select whatever style you're looking for.
Yeah.
I think it's too small to actually
So here you would have
the
this.
selected style.
Okay, and then you click change style, and then what happens? It opens up a new page.
Yes, where you
I
get a
don't know if
list
you
of
can do
styles.
new pages inside. You could probably, right? I think you could. It would probably be like a manage extensions page or something. Where am I supposed to add the images? Mm,
Because like it's like the configuration settings of this extension, you know?
yeah, exactly. I think it would be in the configuration settings. One placeholder dot png. Oh, the way it needs to be. No, I agree with your point. I think the user experience is rubbish. I just want to see what the thing looks like with the rendered images. Okay, it's not changing. You need another one. So maybe we just pick. This size is probably good, right? To make out the style. It's
Yes,
probably like
yes,
128, maybe at least. Yeah, it's probably
yeah, it's a
double
good one.
that. So 128 by 128. Okay, nice. Let's use 128 by 128 pixel images instead. Where's the... So we'll try this one. We're wasting too much time on this. I don't know if we're going to be able to finish in time. 128. Ugh, okay. 128. Twenty change. Say, okay. And then here we could just pick. Where did we get the cartoon? Oh, we didn't get it from here. I should just copy this image. Where's the reference
This
image?
is more like it.
File. That's the one. Oh, what the? Hmm, okay.
You can use the view, this one.
I need the smaller one. Where did it go? Okay. Oh, this is retro. Finally. All right. So got style one. Where'd it go? Okay. So style one, style two, replace. All right. So now we just go back here. Okay. Doesn't update. The label is not updating based on the user selection. Also, there should be like an outline on the selected item so that it's obvious what's highlighted and what isn't. Also, space out the options a little bit in the grid. Well, maybe I needed to do a refresh. No, not working. Okay. Okay.
Not bad.
It's not updating the,
It's not selecting.
yeah. Okay, never mind the label. Just add a label to each of the images and make sure that they get selected somehow, because currently clicking on an image does not update the selection text. Do I need to go max? Okay, it is max. Should know what it's doing. Yeah, but now we have no way of knowing which one is selected. It's not showing the update. Highlight it with the thicker blue border. That's not happening. Bro, I'm not seeing any blue border. Let's switch to 3.7 Sonnet. I mean, I thought like Gemini would actually know what's going on, because maybe it's trained on Google stuff like Chrome extensions. See if this is any better. No,
Did you reload?
no, I didn't. Oh, there we go. Yo,
That's better.
yeah. I mean, that's embarrassing though. Like Google should have figured that out. Yep, selection is working now. Thanks. You can ditch the console log stuff. Beautiful. So now, let's go back to the plan. So find two sample illustration styles, find prompts that reliably generate images in these styles. Okay, I mean, we've already got one of them, which is this one. So we basically have um, the style here. Okay, let's accept all. Let's actually commit, right? This isn't even a Git repo. Okay, okay. Maybe we should call it main. Okay, okay. So now what we want to do is um, so we want to save the prompts and then render images back inside the red box. That's it. Like,
Yeah, let's do this.
okay. Okay, so each illustration style is going to have a prompt. Here's the prompt for the first illustration style as well as the second. We need to make sure that clicking on generate images should pass. Okay, that's actually going to be part of something else. Okay, each illustration style will have a prompt passed, a hard-coded prompt. Hard-coded prompt. Here are the prompts for styles 1 and 2. We need to
We
make
should
sure these get passed along with the user supplied input when clicking generate. Choose yes. You what?
do you think it's a good idea hard coding the what if it would be just a reference and then you know I don't know, like not making it too available to the users.
MVP, man. I mean, at some point it's probably
Yeah,
going to
like
be
not
an
now.
MPI
Not
API or something.
yeah, yeah, I'm not talking about now, but like for the future.
Yeah,
Someday
yeah, I
this goes
agree.
down.
I agree. I think this would, you don't want to add this directly to the Chrome extension.
Yeah, exactly.
So
What
what was
about
the
the
second
second prompt?
style? That was going to be this one, and then the second one was this one. Okay. We had one for gradient mesh or something. Let's use that one. Gradient mesh. Okay. It's not as good as that one, but whatever. We're
Yeah,
just going. We're going.
VP.
We're going, man. Image generation. Hmm. CSS files. Update pop-up to store the style prompts. Okay. Yeah, yeah, that makes sense. Oh, okay. It's adding it straight to the image. Okay, yeah. Implement an image generation. Okay, I didn't think you were gonna do that. Hmm. It's going, man. It's going. It's generating the image. I didn't even give it combined prompt. Okay, actually call an image generation API. Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. All right, so now we need to, someone clicks image generation, but there's a mismatch between style ID stored on the box and the currently selected style. Okay. All right, all right, all right. We're almost there. We're almost there. We just need to call the OpenAI API.
I
Um, I think, wait, so I like using chat router. Chat router? Open router. I like using Open Router, but I don't know. Do I have enough credit? Okay, I've got $7. So does it do image generation? It should do image generation. Where are we? Models. We do. Okay, image. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It does image generation. Okay. Okay, cool. So we just need O1. Bro, why can't I type? Is it because, oh man, it's this extension and it's just messing up the browsing experience on everything. There's actually a way to limit it. I don't know how to do this by default, but you can actually make it so it only works when you click on
Certain
it.
pages.
Yeah, yeah, on click. Okay. When you click on it, then it loads on that particular page. That's probably what we want, right? So now it
Yeah.
doesn't work. It's not doing anything. But
Until you
if I
click
click
on it.
on it, reload. Okay, you need to reload the page. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Now it does its
Now you
thing,
need to
right?
click.
No, it's not doing its thing.
You need to click it. Yeah.
You need to click it, and then no, it's not
What?
doing its thing, man. Oh, okay. It needs to be, I don't know what. It needs to be on all sides. That would be pretty aggressive. Oh, it stopped working. Is it because of this? Oh, do I need to reload it? Hmm. Okay, nice. We're back. Okay. So if I pick this and then I go back here, okay, it's persisting. Nice. That's good. And then if I say, all right, only on click and then reload, oh, it still works. Okay, what if I, okay, now it doesn't. And then when I click on it, reload, yeah, now it works. Okay, nice. Cool, very nice. It's good. Detailed realistic image. I don't know what that is. Oh, now you can do them on top of each other. The right click doesn't make it go away. Oh man, the user experience is turning to us. Oh well, it's okay. It's all right. Let's see. So, all right, we got the prompt thing going. We just need to run it through Open Router. So let's just go. What is it called? Open AI O1. O1. That's what we need. No, 4.0. Yeah, yeah, 4.0. 4.0. O4. GPT
There
4.0.
it is.
That's the one, right? GPT 4.0. Um, okay. How do we API? Pearl. Hmm, okay. Oh, but we need to provide with the image. How are we going to do the image? Hmm.
Upload.
GPT 4.0 image generation API curl required. Ah, base 64 image. Okay, that's what we're going to do. Wait, we're not going to provide it with a base 64. What am I doing? Well, we're not going to give it an image, right? We're going to take the image from it.
We will generate the image.
Yeah, exactly. We're just passing text, right? I don't know
Yes.
why I was thinking about base 64. Okay. Yeah, we're not passing it an image. Image input requirements. Okay. Where's the image generation? Multiple image. What is this kind? Image generation. Images from scratch. Okay. Edits. Variations of an existing image. Okay. Oh, I didn't know they had variations. Oh, okay. Interesting. I didn't know you could do that. Oh, they only have DALL-E 2 and DALL-E 3 for generating images. Okay. DALL-E 3 is what we need. What is Dolly 3? Dolly 3 is GPT 4.0? Is GPT 4.0 same as Dolly 3? 1 year
It's
ago?
native.
What is this? I don't understand. How do you use GPT 4.0?
Ask ChatGPT, how do I use you?
Uh, I don't think it's trained on that image input. It just says this image input, but I don't know why it's talking about image input. We want image generation. To generate images as outputs, your specialized model for image generation. Dolly? So GPT 4.0 is Dolly? Well, okay, let's just ask Perplexity. Okay, okay, okay. All right. I'm just gonna sign in here. It's driving me nuts. I mean, this should be super straightforward. God, why is it so complicated? All right, here we go. Okay. Is GPT 4.0 just Dolly 3 AP? How do I access GPT 4.0 image generation via API? Is it the same as Dolly 3? What? Access coming out over the coming weeks as the model in your API requests. Oh, no wonder there's no data on this. It's not ready? What is this cursor ID? What is this rubbish? Why are they referencing this? Okay, that's more like community open AI. With access rolling out in the next few weeks. Okay, so they haven't introduced it. Oh, maybe I should just check the playground. I think I'm in like the
Beta,
playground, like a beta thing with OpenAI. So maybe they hooked this up somehow. Maybe they hooked this up. Okay, let's see. Um, GPT 4.0. How do we do? Okay, let's just give it this model. Okay, store logs. Okay. Oh, it's just a message. So can we add? Okay, okay. Let's go. Oh yeah. What are you talking about? Billing? Oh man, I I don't have any credit. Man, that's nuts. I actually had like $10,000 balance. I think it expired. That's what happened. Let me just do this. Save settings. Okay. Do I need to do anything? Add the credit balance. Okay. Let's do it.
Maybe it's showing on the screen though,
Oh, you mean the billing? Yeah, it's fine. Mm.
yeah?
I need to change the card. One sec. Add a payment message. So this is how it would work. Mm. Rolling out. So it hasn't rolled out. That's the problem. Oh man. I heard about a bunch of people talking, talking about using the GPT-4o image generation API. So I assume like they already rolled it out. Okay. All right. Just adding my card details. So 420, 288. All right, we're done. Finally. All right, we got a balance now. Uh, what was I doing? All right, so I think we were, what? I lost the tab? Hmm, okay. I was at the playground generating with 4o and text format. Okay, tools. We don't have image generation here, so I suspect it's not going to work, but let's see.
What about Dolly 3? Do you think it will be as good?
Dolly 3.
Yeah.
Mm,
There is an API for it, yeah?
yeah, I don't think it's going to be good at all. Uh, one sec. Let me see. Let's try it. Let's see. Let's go. Give me text. This is rubbish. Okay, it's rubbish. Uh, is there a lot of people actually using the GPT-4o API? Oh man. I'll see if there's a way for us to. Oh, I'm not supposed to be. I'll see if there's a way to um, get access to the API
It's just
early somehow. Man, it's such a bummer. Okay, we were gonna use that stupid API and now we can't. Uh, okay, so I guess we just have to fall back to using should be a few weeks. Not pointing to this version. Yeah, everyone's asking about the image generation API. Nothing. Okay, all right. I guess the only thing you can do now is the only thing you can do is using stability AI. That's what we're gonna have to use. Bro, I just want to get this MVP done, man. That's it. Like that's what we want to do. We're not gonna waste time on this. All right, forget Leonardo. Forget Fal. Although maybe Fal has access to GPT 4.0? GPT 4.0? No, nothing. No, it doesn't. Video prompt generator. It's weird they don't have anything that's image to video. Okay. Text to image. Yeah, forget about it. Okay. All right. Okay. We can't use this. Oh man. What should I use instead until GPT 4.0 image generation is released? Stability. Stability. All right. Platform API. Generate. I think large was the one we used. We have deprecated Stable Diffusion 3.0 will be automatically rerouting to Stable Diffusion 3.5 APIs. Okay. Grab your API key. All right, let's move that over. Okay. All right, so we got the API key. Yeah, I'm just buying credits so we can use the API. All right, so we got credits now. We got an API key. Um, okay, we should be able to. We should be good to go. How do we try it out? Okay, all right. Not really sure what all this is. Okay, we're trying to generate. That's what we need. Stable image. Four? I don't know which one we used when we were testing it out. Where's, bro, what is all this? Stability AI. Use, start creating. Which one did we use? Why is this so complicated? What's stable assistant?
We didn't go for that one.
Start creating. That's the one, right? What did we use?
Yeah, image.
Image? Start creating. Oh my God. Start free trial. No, login. Okay. It's called stable assistant. How of a stupid name is that? Stable assistant. Okay, all right. Okay, this is where we were. Okay. All right. Which model is this? I don't even know which model this is. It doesn't say anywhere. Hello? Adjust aspect ratio, select style image. Okay. We don't know which stupid model this is. New project. Can I pick the model? How am I supposed to know which model this is? Stable assistant. Okay. All right. Okay. I don't know what's going on, man. I'm just feeling
Try asking
frustrated.
it. Try asking it. What model is it?
It's just gonna generate an image. What model are you? It's gonna generate some crap. Our latest image, audio, video, and 3D generation. Okay. SD3 image generation. What data? Oh man, this is just ridiculous, yo. Why is it gotta be so complicated? Okay, whatever. I'll just assume stable image ultra. Okay.
Just pick one
Yeah,
and build on it,
yeah. Well,
and then
we just
yeah,
need to get this out. We're not trying to save the world here,
and
right?
then we can modify. We'll demodel it later, like from
Stable
photos and
image
see how that
ultra.
works out.
That's what we're gonna go with. Generate. Okay. Generate. Okay. Oh, they have an open API specification. That'll probably be useful. Okay, please implement the following API call for doing image generation via Stability AI. Not sure how we're going to pass in the API key. I mean, it's just going to be plain text, I think, for the MVP. If you're worried about the prompt, I mean, we're we're going to pass in the plain text API key. All right, I'll implement. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, excellent. Generate. Oh, it added a nice generating image waiting thing. That's beautiful. Get API key from storage. I like that. I like that. Please set your stability API key in the extension pop-up. Oh, it's thinking about it. It's thinking about all those edge cases. Apparently, it just generates images that are 1024 by 1024. Like you can't mess with the resolution. Kind of weird. Like, why are you drawing boxes if the image size is always going to be the same? The Ultra
It can be the
service
same, and
uses
then
8 credits
and
per
then
result.
we can reduce dimensions, like scale it down, size it down.
Yeah, you're spending the same amount though. Oh, it actually replied with text. Interesting. Yeah, that's useful. All right, it should be good, man. Should be good. So we just have to set the API key, and we should be good to go. All right, it's done. It's done. Let's go. Best alternatives, DALL-E 3. Okay. Google Image Gen. Oh, we didn't even try that, man.
We didn't try Imogen, man. How come?
Oh, we didn't try Google Image Gen. All right, whatever. Anyway, at this point, we're not going to. So we just have to reload the extension. Reload. Okay. And then we go to a test site. Okay. We click the image. Reload. Okay. Let's draw a box here. Picture of a man on a moon. Oh wait, did we pick the style? Let's go with this one. Oh, you got to paste the key in here. I like that. That's a very nice touch. Let me just move that off to the side. So the private details are not uncovered. API key saved. That's beautiful. Okay, let's go. Do you think it'll work?
Let's give it a shot.
All right, it didn't. I don't know what happened. Not sure what's going on. Network.
There's an error.
You saw an error?
Oh,
Cannot read properties of undefined. It's unfortunate. Oops. It was so annoying, this user experience. Even the right click stopped working. Okay. Okay, I'm getting this error. Let's see if we can figure it out. What is this? Why is it still there? I hope I don't have to paste the API key again. The issue is now fixed. Okay. Okay, the API key is still
oh,
there. So now we just have to manage extension, reload. I guess reload the page. Maybe not. I don't know. Okay, probably reload the page as well. Oh, generating. Did it actually send the request? I don't see the request. Wait,
oh.
man on the moon? Where's the moon? Okay, that's weird. I mean, it put an image. It's not the same.
Well, it's a step forward.
Yeah, I mean, it generated something. Okay, let's see what happened. And it actually rendered the image. I'm surprised. Okay, so let's see. Where's the prompt stuff? Wait. Okay, so wait, invalid response. Cannot find box. Please enter. Where is the actual prompt? Where's the prompt?
There's the I think that's the one. Edit uh, um, the box top
Combined prompt.
editable.
Oh, I think it was in pop-up. Pop-up has the prompt. Okay, so style. Okay, so it's picking the prompt. Okay, make the API request. It's taking the prompt from request.prompt, sending it to this. Okay, where's generate image? Okay. Oh man, where is the prompt? Like, I just want to understand where it's getting the prompt from. So it's calling generate image with the combined prompt, which is coming from style prompt and then content and then that. Okay, so I think we should be doing user input first and then attach the style prompt. Okay, so user input first and then style prompt. Let's see if that works. Okay, so reload. Okay, and then click this, reload. Do we have the API key? Oh, it persists. That's actually pretty good. Wasn't expecting that. That's a
Nice.
nice touch. All right, so here we do um, dog. Goes nothing. Oh, this is the request. Oops. No, that's not the request. That's abstract. No way. Yo, we got it.
We're getting there, man.
It's definitely a dog. I think this is commit worthy. This is definitely worth a commit. Bro, we generated an image. That's unbelievable.
In a placeholder where in the same dimensions as the box,
I don't know if it's
you
the
know?
same dimensions, man. Like,
Well, it is in the same dimension, like
I mean, it fits in the
same
box.
area.
It's not the
Yeah,
same aspect ratio as
it's
the
not
image.
the same aspect ratio though,
It's
yeah.
again, like, you probably want to use the GPT-4o API for this, and it's just not possible to do until you get API access.
At least for now. Let's do another, like, another box.
Oh, another box? Okay.
Like, we keep this one, but
What would you like to see?
let's do a ball by the beach.
Oh, there we go. There we go, mate.
We are in business.
Oh, all right, man. This is what I'm talking about. So now you can theoretically just draw boxes around things that you want to illustrate, and it should just do it. Oh, wow. That would be amazing. Whoa. I didn't think we'd do it. Honestly, I didn't think we'd pull it off. I'm actually pretty pleased with this. So we got find prompts. I mean, there's some room for improvement here. Let's not get too excited. Render images inside the red box. I think we definitely did that. And yeah, wow, this is pretty good, yo. This is pretty good. Oh, when you resize, it stays. Okay. I guess this wasn't what I was expecting. When you resize. Anyway, it's an
Like
MVP. What do you
we could
expect?
enhance the MVP later, but
Yeah,
can you like add another image in the in one of the boxes below on the very last box? Yeah,
this one,
let's try to do a bicycle uh, in the garden.
garden shed, and at the same time, a watch, an antique clock on a mantelpiece. Oh, very nice, very nice.
Indeed,
It'd be
and
nice
this
if we
is
could move it,
my
like maybe add like a move thing and then just drag it.
not
Oh,
yet,
there
man,
we go. Yeah, yeah.
not yet,
Antique
man.
clock. That's definitely it. Wait, and fix the image ratio. I mean, there's so many ideas for things we could do, but fix image aspect ratio based on box, and then move red boxes. Yeah, I mean, there's probably a bunch you can do, but this is a good starting point, man. It's good. It's got an MVP. I think it's almost. I'd almost be willing to pay for this if we had more illustration styles.
I
Um,
think we could just add a little bit of like nice touches to it, like just um, you know, some aesthetics, and we add the styles, and we're good
yeah,
to go.
yeah. This is a proof of concept, man.
But
It just proves that it's actually possible to do. And I think with the
and it
GPT
works.
4.0 API, my friend, we
We
are
will
looking
kill
at,
it.
oh wow. As soon as it's released, we're just we're gonna hit the ground running. Oh wow. I'm excited. I'm excited, yo. I didn't think we would
Same,
pull it
man.
off. If I'm being honest with you, I didn't think like we'd be able to get this far today. So I'm pretty happy with progress. And yeah, I mean, there's a lot of things we can do to expand, but I think in the next call we can polish it up a little bit and we're done. Like it's just going to be record a demo video, post it, boom, like money. That's it. Record demo video, post it, money. That's how I imagine the process in my head. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm loving this. It's, it's amazing.
It will be tricky
Beautiful.
later on. Like the only, I think the tricky part is like having the aspect ratio of an image match the box.
Bro, that's easy. What are you talking about? You just tell it this have the aspect. I could literally just prompt it
Ah,
now and fix
yeah,
it.
yeah. Got it, got it. I see it. I see it. Yeah.
That's it. Like it'll fix it right now. I already gave it the docs. Did I? Did I paste the docs in there? Yeah, yeah, there it is. It has the docs, so it should be pretty straightforward. We didn't try Google Image Gen. Wait, what? No results? That's weird. Imagen. I and Gemini. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. AI Studio? So basically, they have this Flash, yeah, yeah, Flash image generation. Okay. All right. So let's just give it this. Let's see. And that looks like rubbish. It just saw flat, and then it's like, okay, I'll do a flat image. Uh, I mean, the style is rubbish, but mm, we should like maybe we can iterate on it. Make it match this style. Where is it? Copy image. Paste. Maybe that helps. That's what I
Like
like about
providing an
GPT-4o is you
example.
can iterate on the same image in the same conversation. Like it can do editing.
Hmm,
No,
not
it's
good.
rubbish. It's rubbish.
I think
It's not the
I think
same.
even for like I think stability did a good job when we supplied an example, and I feel like
Hmm.
when we have the illustrations, like we could send the URL to
Mm,
the sample. I think it would do good. Like we don't have to wait for all.
yeah, maybe. Maybe. Yeah, you're right. It's possible.
Mm,
Hmm. Beautiful. I mean, we got a working concept. We'll iterate definitely. I mean, we'll add more illustration styles. Improve the UI a little bit so when you pick the style, it doesn't look like rubbish. Make it polish it up a little bit, polish it up, make it look nice, and then yeah, just start charging people. I think we probably need a back end so that we can, you know, people don't have to do
the
their
keys,
whole API key thing themselves.
and they could track the
Track usage. Mm,
no, not usage because that's outside of the scope of the MVP, but more like a you know like a billing page. Yeah, billing. It's the very last.
yeah, like only allow you to generate up to a certain number of images. I mean, if we're paying like 8 cents per image, which is what we're paying for stability. If it's 8 cents an image, we're gonna charge them maybe $25 a month, 300 images.
Hmm.
So we would allow them to generate 100 illustrations, maybe. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I think this is useful on its own. Like we could get pretty far with just this. Share all the image styles, pick the image style that you want, add the description. We
Yeah,
haven't even done the prompt improvement, like the automatic prompt
yeah.
improvement. I think that could really kill. That could really make a big difference. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. All right. All right. All right. All right.
That's
I'm
that's
excited.
that's massive. Like 4,400 styles. That's a lot.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. So many cool styles, and then we just pick the ones you want. The beauty is like we don't even need to. We can just copy the image. Like that's all you need.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. And then
That's
just
crazy.
to keep copyright infringement intact, you could ask the AI to regenerate similar images.
If you're concerned about copyright, you probably wouldn't be streaming the process. Oh man.
Well, me no understand English. If anything,
Yeah. Anyway, this is just a random site. We're not copying anything from here. We're just taking inspiration. They probably stole the images from somewhere else, let's be honest. Anyway, cool, cool, cool. I think this is a great place to wrap up. It fixed the aspect ratio thing, by the way. Oh, the code automatically picks the closest match. Oh, wow. That's pretty considerable. Like, I appreciate the effort that it put into this. Like, it doesn't support arbitrary aspect ratios, but, it went to the trouble of picking the closest one. Thank you.
Mhm.
I think this deserves thank you. Thank you. I appreciate you. User is expressing gratitude. Okay. Happy image generating. Oh, I love that. That's a nice touch. I'm just gonna accept it without even testing it. All right. I trust this guy. feel like we built a bit of a relationship here. It's founded on trust. Okay. Adios, folks. Catch you in the next one. Bye for now.